Hello, I'm in a 2011 BMW X5 and today I'm going to show you to open the gas cap. So it looks like it's got a safety cover. There should just be a button push there to release it. So nothing needed inside. So it's locked right now, and then you just push to open it. And then reading any directions is necessary, but you just fill with regular gas. So unscrew, fill your gas. When you're done, screw this back on. Close it up when you're done. If you're having issues, obviously once you do get it open, check for debris. Maybe something's stuck in the hinge here. Maybe there's an issue with this little button here. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'll kind of go around in here so you can see if it's helpful if there's something on the inside. Back up behind there. And it goes back, about that far for that hole. But best of luck.